Hi, Noranchito teachers. This is a tutorial on myON. So I'm going to show you what the kids see when they log in. So go to Noranchito, go to Clever if they don't have the extension. And myON is there. If they hit favorites, it'll stay on the top. So this is for my son Carlos. Carlos has not taken his assessment. So when they log in, this is what they see after they select their favorite genre. So it asks them things like, do you like mystery books or adventure books? And then they'll take an assessment based on their grade level. And this is to determine their Lexile level. After they have taken their assessment, I'm going to show you back again. Noranchito, Clever. They could either sign in using their Gmail account information, which is your username and password, or hit the Clever badge if they have it. This is for Roberto. Roberto already took his assessment, so I wanted to show you the difference. It's already on their favorite, so it's on top. So just click on the heart. Click myON. He logs in right away. This is his opening page, which shows his level. His level is here at 550 Lexile. His goal and how many books he's read. He hasn't read any books here so far. One of the questions was, what do you see? So I'm going to show you kind of like what you see when the kids log in. Here, there's projects. Projects are basically anything that's assigned by the teacher. So the assignments will pop up here under projects. News is basically like a time for kids. So it has current events. This is and they're able to read the article. The nice thing about myON, it has a feature for them to talk.
Apple's tablet.
And they're able, it's also in Spanish if needed, just with the click. There's other features here that they're able to also use. And then library here is, it's based on the recommended books or the genres that they chose that they enjoy reading. They could browse books based on topics. So see, these are the books and how they're broken down. My list is anything that they have favorite. And search is what I had a question. Ms. Dickinson was asking, well, can they filter by AR level? Remember, AR levels are ATOS, which basically is the readability, how they assign the level. So it's like a 3.5. So what you need to do, look, it said 0 books. What you need to do first is click here, and it will give you all the books. After that, they could filter by different types. If you want them to use the reading level, it only gives them the grade. So if it's 3.5, it only gives them 3rd grade. 3.8, 4.1 only gives them 4th grade books. So you will click there, and you will choose the grade. Let's say he's like a 3.5 or whatever the student is, 3rd grade. And then look, it doesn't change until you click the blue circle again, and it will filter the books. Now the books are here. This is only if you want to filter by AR level. If not, go ahead and choose, let them choose their Lexile level, which is recommended to them automatically using myON. So it's 550 for him, so I don't have to go look for AR because this is what's recommended. So then you know the books here that they have opened or that they have seen. Now I'm going to show you what the book looks like. Let me see if I could, maybe this is at the end. So this is, I'm going to go to read. I'm going to continue with the book. And here, you're able to read from there.
Plastic frogs spotted more footprints on the ground. They led toward a dark cave. The amphibian figured it must be the crook's hideout. Snap!
Now this, it has the book here. It has a dictionary if you like. And at the end, I'm going to see if I can show you the end. Well, let me do it. I'm almost there. Okay. So this tells me I didn't finish it. But if I exit, it gives them like a short quiz. So they do have to read it, and they'll give them a quiz. And that's the information you'll be receiving in your report. You receive a report on your dashboard when you log in through Clever and see how the kids are doing. a way that you log in is the same way. So for you to log in, you'll go to your Clever badge or Clever extension, and then you log in with Google, and you'll see the same icon, which is myON. It's this one here. If you have any questions or need any more help, please feel free to reach out. Have a good day. Thank you.